What's up, guys? It's your boy DJ Soul Force. We're out today with the Arrma Kraton. This is the Kraton 6S. You guys seen it on the channel. I've had it about 6 or 7 weeks now. The Arrma vehicles are built Arrma tough, but they're not totally 100% unbreakable. You can see I got a nice little crack there in the body shell. A couple of weeks ago, I broke one of the A-arms and I had to replace it. Of course, I went with an upgraded one. One of these, this one on the left is the stock A-arm, and this is the RPM Racing A-arms. One of the things I did to reinforce, I like that word, reinforce, to strengthen up my Kraton, guys, I added a T-Bone Racing Thrasher front bumper, and what I had been looking for a while is the T-Bone Racing rear bumper and wheelie bar. Now the T-Bone Racing products add more parts to your car. It even adds additional skid plates on the bottom. These sell out fast, guys, the T-Bone Racing bumpers and the wheelie bar for the Kraton. I had to go to the T-Bone Racing website and click on that little button that says notify me when it's back in stock. And when it came back in stock, the wheelie bar, they only had 6 of them, so I was glad I happened to be sitting at the computer when that notice came in that I was able to get the wheelie bar. Finding the bumper was no problem. T-Bone Racing also has a store on eBay, and I'm pretty sure they're on Amazon too. Just kind of getting warmed up right here, fellas. What I really want to test is the wheelie bar, because up until now I have not upgraded my Kraton to the high-speed pinion. Out the box it comes with 2 pinion gears and one for high speed, but it didn't come with a wheelie bar. So you can see on 6S, and this is with the stock pinion, this thing don't have any problem getting up doing the wheelie. And I was trying to keep her looking nice. Check it out. Whoa, Nelly. I'm not going in those bushes. There's gators in them there woods. One of the super nice things about the T-Bone Racing wheelie bars, look how wide out those wheels are, because the Kraton's an animal. She needs that awesome stability, and even make a rookie like me look like a pro. Yeah, baby, yeah. That's Daddy's girl right there. That front bumper is also gonna save you a lot of money in the future, guys, because it was only on like run number 6 or 7 that crashed head on into a big rock. That's how I broke that A-arm. The Thrasher bumper is wide. It's not going to totally protect your A-arms, because if you crash this car on one of these wheels, you're going to break an A-arm. Unless you upgrade to all metal down there, then you're just going to break something else. This bumper is solid, guys. It will save your car in a high-speed, head-on, direct hit, but your wheels are not exempt from breaking the A-arms, or the bumper don't protect the wheels. I wouldn't want it if it did. That would be too big and ugly. I tell you what, guys, I want to test this out in the grass. Let's try some uneven surfaces. By the way, I even brought my ramps with me today. I got some new little ramps. They're like skateboard ramps or BMX bike ramps. She'll wheelie in the grass too. Had to jump out of the way on that one. This thing is beyond animal. This sucker like damn Godzilla. Arrma makes an 8S Kraton too, guys, and that bad boy is King Kong. I like the way the wheelie bar is performing, so more than likely I'll be back in the back at the bench putting that high-speed pinion gear in there. At the same time, whoa! At the same time, I better order some more spare batteries, because we're about to spend a lot of time together. Alright guys, let's see if we can jump this beast. There's a little baby jump there for starters. Nice. Come on, baby, save it. Yeah, there we go, girl. That's daddy's girl right there. Jump practice. If I can line it up from this side of the ramp, might be easier. Oh yeah, baby, oh yes. Skirt, watch that concrete. If the camera got shaky on that, because that's a brother running. Backstepping real quick, boy. Here we go. Watch that pole. You saw that, guys? Hit brakes in the air, just like flying a drone. I'm gonna need a cold one after this. I'm gonna need another cold one after that. Yes, sir. Y'all stick around for more, guys. I'll be keeping you updated on this, which now has become my most favorite vehicle in the fleet. I still have my Red Cat shredder. It is the biggest vehicle in my fleet, but this thing will eat that shredder for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's your boy DJ Soul Force. Pow! I'm out of here.